I tested and I researched all of IKEA sofas, starting from the cheapest to the most expensive one. Here are my top 12 picks. I picked 3-seater sofa so we can get a better comparison. The LINANÄS Sofa. Honestly, this was the nicest looking option I found in the 400 euros or less range. It has a simple, elegant design. Sofas with legs usually make a room feel larger because you can see underneath, and I like that you can clean easily as well. Comfort-wise, let's be clear, it's definitely more on the firm side, but it's solid and supportive, which is actually great for your posture. The armrests don't have a lot of padding, but you can fix that with a few cushions. As for assembly, we can see it's super easy. We can actually see the structure as well here, and it looks sturdy, which surprised me at this price point. But you get the IKEA 10-year warranty, so you are covered for a long while. It comes in this lovely cream shade or classic black. If you're feeling bold or just practical, they also sell this green cover for about 60 euros. It's really handy if you like changing your decor or have messy little paws around the house. Is this the most comfortable sofa I ever sat on? No, but it's a good value for money. Next, let's talk about the iconic EKTORP Sofa. This is probably IKEA's most recognizable sofa, and for a good reason. It's very comfy, has a classic look that fits in almost any decor style. And the covers are completely removable and machine washable. And I mean completely, not just the cushions, but the bottom and the back as well. Another bonus I love is that IKEA updates their cover range regularly. So even if you've had your EKTORP for 5 or 10 years, just pop on a new trendy color and voila, it feels like a brand new sofa. But heads up, not all covers are created equal. Some can look a bit saggy or frumpy, which is definitely not my style. Right now I'm obsessed with this velvet sage cover. It's smooth, looks great, the fabric feels a bit heavier. And here's a pro tip, if you have a cat, just know that they hate velvet fabrics, they do not like to scratch on it. Comfort wise, EKTORP is super plush, extra soft with nice tall back cushions that give great support, even if you're on the taller side. Plus the cushions are reversible, so you won't get those annoying indentations over time. And yes, like most good IKEA sofa, it comes with that 10-year warranty. Honestly, I recommend the EKTORP without hesitation. Unfortunately, in North America it was discontinued and replaced with the Upland series around 2020. It's the updated version, slightly larger and firmer, which many people complain about, but it's identical in design. Moving on to one of my all-time favorites, the SÖDERHAMN. Full disclosure, I've had this sofa myself for 5 years, and honestly it still looks and feels brand new. Well, after replacing the cover, because let's just say my cat thought the original one was a scratching post, I managed to fix it a couple of times, but it was time for a new one. The main reason I love the SÖDERHAMN is the timeless design and deep seats. Plus, it's fully customizable. It's modular, which means you can create the sofa to fit your exact space or expand your current one. Even the legs can be changed, and of course the covers. IKEA's website calls it extra soft, but realistically it's just comfortably soft. You are not sinking into the seat, but you can easily relax for hours with no back pain thanks to the lumbar pillows. Bonus is flat enough to sleep good on it if needed. For me, this sofa is one of the absolute best in terms of value for money. Next up is the fantastic KIVIK Sofa, priced around 700 euros. It's honestly the whole package. Super comfortable. I think it's even more comfortable than SÖDERHAMN. It is modular and has washable covers. My mother has this one, and after 2 years it still looks amazing, basically brand new. It has a modern look with the low profile and the wide arms, which are perfect for holding up your drinks on a tray or snacks. It doesn't wobble, so no spilling. Or you can just rest your head comfortably when you lie down because it's very well padded. The only thing I'd advise is to double check your space because the KIVIK is a bit wider than your average sofa. It comes with 5 different cover options and the beige looks gorgeous, but personally I think the corduroy version holds its shape the best and it's super practical for everyday use. It's cat proof as well. Like most IKEA sofas, it gets a generous 10-year warranty. Really unbeatable quality for this price. HYLTARP looks a lot more expensive than it is, and when I first saw it, it immediately reminded me of Pottery Barn York sofa, but obviously at a fraction of the cost. One major advantage is fully removable and washable covers, so even with white you're not gonna be stressed about spills or stains, and they are priced pretty affordably. You could even swap out colors every season or whenever you want a quick refresh. Comfort-wise, IKEA advertises HYLTARP as soft, but in reality I would say the seating is slightly on the firmer side, which isn't a bad thing. It keeps the sofa looking neat and prevents sagging covers. The back cushions on the other hand are softer and reversible, just like on some higher end sofas. And surprise, it has a sofa bed option as well, at a different price point. Usually you can tell immediately which one is a sofa bed because they are uglier, but this one looks great, I couldn't tell. Overall, if you want an expensive elegant look without the expensive price tag, HYLTARP is definitely one to consider. This is a beautiful traditional sofa. I love the classic details like fabric cover buttons, carefully sewn seams, sculpted legs. It's giving that timeless elegant vibe, and it cost only 750 euros. It comes in 4 fabric colors and 2 wood leg tones. This is the first sofa that when they say extra soft, they're not kidding. This sofa feels like sinking into a cloud. It's also perfect if your family is on the taller side, thanks to the high back that offers great support. If you add the matching ottoman or bench, which has also secret storage, and you've got the perfect lounging corner. I was impressed with how well it looks in the showroom, because in the IKEA showrooms is where we see how a product behaves after thousands of people test it weekly, and they're not gentle about it. Lifting the pillows to see underneath, checking every detail, pulling everything in a hurry, and most of the furniture samples look pretty beat up or untidy, but not this one. ÄPPLARYD has this cool mid-century modern look with sleek lines and textured fabric that is made of mostly cotton. Comfort-wise, it's medium firm and supportive. Some say it's a dupe of this designer piece. Size-wise, a 2-seater is as big as a 3-seater, so maybe check the measurements before you buy. Overall, I really like it, and the firm cushions makes it nice and bouncy. Now we reached the top 5 and we crossed the 1000 euro mark. This one is a total showstopper. I fell in love with it immediately. It's luxurious, super soft cushions, deep seats and wide armrests. It's incredibly easy to assemble, no tools at all. The craftsmanship feels premium and you can tell right away it's built to last. If you love bold interiors, definitely check out the green version. I like how the green sofas look with the green background. I usually say a big no to sofas with built-in cup holders, but this one hits the sweet spot between comfort, practicality and elegance. It immediately caught my eye in the showroom. The wooden storage box can act as a side table, and of course to hide things you want easy access to, like remotes. It's also adapted for the IKEA wireless charger. I like this sofa in all sizes and shapes, but again measure because it is a lot longer than standard. A normal 3-seater is around 900 euros. Nice to see a middle leg for additional support when you have longer seats. This says a lot about the quality. JÄTTEBO was made for people who love smart storage, flexibility and a designer look without a crazy price. And it has machinable washable covers as well. Each module has built-in hidden storage, huge win for apartments or busy homes. It's more firm than fluffy but still comfy enough for long Netflix sessions. Many people say that IKEA has gotten very expensive, and yes, I agree, some items are priced too high for the quality they offer. But there are products that deserve the price point. It's extremely difficult to find a sofa that has all of these options: comfy, modular, washable covers, storage, nice design. If you manage to find it, it's a lot more expensive and usually you have to wait months until you receive it. IKEA really stepped up their game with this modular sofa. It adapts to your body when you sit down and quickly regains the shape and appearance when you get up. The covers are removable and machine washable. My favorites are the honey mustard and the rich dark brown ones. The assembly is extremely easy with those metal connectors, and it has 25 years warranty, giving me confidence that it will withstand years of use. A similar piece is at least double the price and they don't have removable covers, so you have to spot clean, and they offer only 2 years warranty. Again, we have a good value for money. We arrived at number 1, the most expensive 3-seat sofa from IKEA. This version of Stockholm feels sophisticated and timeless. Japandi minimalist style. The cotton linen blend cover is beautifully textured, and the exposed wooden frame adds elegance. Practical touches like washable covers means you can actually live comfortably without constant worry. Not only is visually stunning, but it's also incredibly comfortable. It feels solid and well made. The craftsmanship and 25-year warranty truly justify the price. Similar sofas are again more expensive and the covers are not removable, and the warranty is a lot smaller. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor. Thanks for watching.